When you are in your 20s, money feels like water slipping through your hands. Every paycheck comes in and disappears faster than you expect. Some goes on food, some on clothes, and the rest on things you do not even remember. At first, it feels normal because everyone around you is doing the same. But what if I told you that your 20s are the most powerful years to build wealth? Most people believe saving can wait until they are older. They think their 20s are for fun, freedom, and enjoying life. But this mindset silently steals their future wealth. The earlier you start saving, the easier life becomes later. Because money saved in your 20s has more time to grow than money saved in your 30s or 40s. Think about it this way. Money is like a seed. If you plant it early, it has years to grow into a big tree. If you wait too long, the tree will always be smaller, no matter how much you water it later. The same rule applies to your savings and investments. Starting early gives you the magic of compound growth working in your favor. Imagine two friends, both earning the same salary in their 20s. One spends everything on parties, gadgets, and new clothes. The other saves just a small portion every month. 10 years later, their lives look completely different. One is stuck in debt, while the other has investments growing quietly in the background. The truth is, saving money in your 20s does not mean giving up fun. It simply means choosing smarter ways to enjoy life. Instead of buying every new gadget, you pick only what truly matters. Instead of dining out every day, you cook at home sometimes and save the difference. These small changes may feel tiny today, but they create a big future tomorrow. One of the smartest habits you can build in your 20s is tracking your spending. Most people do not realize how much money slips away on small things. A coffee here, a snack there, and suddenly half your paycheck is gone. But when you write down every dollar, you start seeing the truth. Awareness is the first step to controlling your money. Once you know where your money is going, the next step is making a budget. A budget is not a punishment. It is simply a plan for your freedom. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Even a simple budget with just 3 categories, needs, wants, and savings, can change your life. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. When you create a budget, you also discover hidden money. These are dollars you never noticed before because they were leaking away on habits. Canceling a subscription you do not use or reducing takeout meals can free up surprising amounts. Even saving just $100 extra each month adds up to $200 a year. That small shift alone can be the start of your investment journey. Another important habit is learning to invest early. Many young people think investing is only for the rich or older adults, but even small amounts, when invested wisely, can grow into serious wealth over time. Stocks, index funds, or retirement accounts all work better the earlier you start. The key is consistency, not how much you start with. Here's a question for you. How much is your future worth? Many people ignore this because it feels far away, but every decision you make today shapes your tomorrow. Skipping small purchases, saving and investing now can lead to financial freedom faster than you imagine. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is today. Automating your savings is one of the smartest tricks in your 20s. You do not have to think every month about putting money aside. Setting up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts makes it effortless. It removes the temptation to spend everything immediately. Over time, this habit quietly builds a strong financial foundation. Credit cards are not the enemy if used wisely. Many young adults fear them because of debt stories, but using credit cards responsibly can actually help your credit score. Paying off the full balance every month keeps interest at 0. Good credit opens doors for bigger investments and loans in the future. Side hustles are another secret weapon in your 20s. Your full-time job may not be enough to achieve your financial goals. Even a small freelance gig or part-time work can add hundreds or even thousands to your savings each year. The key is consistency and choosing something you enjoy. Over time, these extra earnings can multiply through smart investments. Emergency funds are not optional, they are essential. Life can throw unexpected expenses at any moment. A sudden medical bill, car repair, or job loss can hit hard if you are unprepared. Having at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved creates peace of mind. It ensures that you never have to rely on high-interest loans or credit cards in emergencies. Investing in yourself is just as important as saving money. Learning new skills, taking courses, or improving your knowledge increases your earning potential. The more you grow, the more opportunities you attract. Even small improvements can compound into big results over time. Your 20s are the perfect decade to become the best version of yourself. Debt can be a silent killer if ignored in your 20s. Student loans, credit card balances, and personal loans pile up quickly. Paying off high-interest debt first should be a priority. Every dollar used to pay interest is a dollar that could have been invested. The sooner you tackle debt, the more freedom you gain later. Living below your means is a game changer. It does not mean living miserably. It means making choices that support your future. Buying slightly used items, cooking at home, and avoiding impulse purchases can save hundreds every month. Small sacrifices now can create huge opportunities later. The question is, are you willing to trade small comforts today for big freedom tomorrow? Investing consistently beats trying to time the market. Many beginners wait for the perfect moment and lose years of growth. Even small, regular investments outperform big, irregular ones. Dollar cost averaging is a simple strategy that works over time. Patience and discipline are the real superpowers of wealth building. Avoid lifestyle inflation at all costs. Just because you earn more does not mean you must spend more. Many people get trapped upgrading cars, clothes, and gadgets as soon as their salary rises. Keeping your lifestyle in check allows your savings to grow faster. Every raise can become a step toward financial freedom instead of extra spending. Finally, remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes consistent effort, smart choices, and patience over years. Every small habit, from saving to investing, compounds over time. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes to reach your goals. Your 20s are the launchpad for a lifetime of financial success. Celebrate small wins along the way. Every month you save, every debt you pay off, and every smart investment is a victory. These little wins keep you motivated and make the journey enjoyable. Tracking your progress visually helps you see how far you've come. Motivation is the secret fuel for long-term financial habits. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Social media shows the highlight reel, not the reality. Many people look rich, but are drowning in debt. Focus on your path and your goals. True wealth is measured by freedom, not flashy possessions. Always keep learning about money. Books, podcasts, and courses can expand your knowledge quickly. The more you understand finance, the better choices you make. Even one new concept each month compounds over time. Knowledge turns into power when applied consistently. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Late charges can slowly eat into your savings. Setting reminders or autopay ensures you stay on track. You gain peace of mind and protect your credit score. Small automation today saves big stress tomorrow. Review your financial goals every few months. Life changes and so should your plan. Adjust budgets, savings, and investments as needed. This keeps your path aligned with your dreams. Regular reviews prevent small problems from becoming big setbacks. Invest in experiences, not just things. Traveling, learning new skills, and spending quality time with loved ones enrich your life more than material items. Experiences shape your mindset and future opportunities. They often provide lessons that money alone cannot buy. Your 20s are perfect for building memories alongside wealth. Avoid lifestyle traps like keeping up with peers. It's easy to overspend when you compare yourself constantly. Focus on your goals, not what others display on social media. Discipline now leads to freedom later. True financial power comes from control.